Hey everyone, I'm going to be going over the African resistance lesson. Let's start by reviewing what the word resistance means. Resistance is the refusal to accept or obey something. So maybe you think about it, if there was a rule that you did not agree with, how are you resisting that rule? How do you refuse to accept it or obey it? Maybe you do it in really overt ways, right? Like you say, I'm not going to do this, or you make like a big scene, or you do actions that contradict the rule. Or maybe you're more subtle and you kind of just subtly don't do the things that you're supposed to do and you're a little sneaky about it. There's different types of resistance. Two types of resistance we're going to focus on are violent resistance and nonviolent resistance. Violent resistance is when people resist through physical force that can result in injury and or death. Nonviolent resistance is when people resist through peaceful means instead of force. A way to tell which is violent resistance results in people getting hurt physically. Nonviolent resistance does not have that element. So today we're asking ourselves, how did Africans resist European imperialism? When European countries invade Africa and try to start taking over, how are the Africans going to fight back? That's what we're looking at today. And we're going to compare and contrast violent and nonviolent resistance. So you're going to start by reading the text on slide 5 and 6. And as you're reading, you're going to do some highlighting. I would like you to highlight violent resistance in orange and nonviolent resistance in green. And again, if you need the distinguishing factors of each one, go back to slide 3 and it tells you the difference. So again, on slide 5 and 6, you're going to do that highlighting, and then we're going to get to our big task. Today, you're going to look at 3 documents that show examples of African resistance. As you look at those documents, you're going to answer the questions on your note catcher. So you see there's document A, B, and C, and you're going to answer these questions for each one. So the first one is about the Battle of Ottwa, which is one of the only successful African resistance efforts. So you're going to take a look at the illustration on the right side and read about what the Battle of Ottwa is on the left side. You'll then look at document B, which is Congolese resistance songs. So despite the violent messages of these songs, I want you to think, when you look at these, did anyone actually get hurt while they were singing these? And what kind of resistance is this actually? The last document is a video, so make sure you don't miss this link, about the Maji Maji Rebellion in modern-day Tanzania. So again, watch the video, read the text on the right, decide if this is violent or nonviolent resistance. And just as a reminder, as you're looking at each document, you want to respond to the questions. And don't forget the exit ticket, bringing us back to that big question: how did Africans resist European imperialism? If you have any questions, please contact your social studies teacher. Good luck.